In this video, we will show you how to properly level your new LG dishwasher. Before we start, you will need a screwdriver, a leveler, an adjustable wrench, and gloves. Place the unit in front of the cabinet cavity opening where the dishwasher will be placed. Slide it into the open cabinet cavity until the back is less than halfway in. It is important to have the unit and the water supply line off during leveling. Toward the bottom front of the dishwasher, behind the toe kick panel, is where the level adjustments are located. Carefully remove the toe kick panel located on the bottom front of your unit with a screwdriver. Carefully remove the installation piece. Located on the opposing sides of the unit are the two front screws that control the back legs. Adjust these screws accordingly to raise and lower the back legs. To raise the back of the dishwasher to the approximate height of the cabinet opening, turn the screw in the direction of the indicating arrow printed on the base of the unit. To lower the rear of the dishwasher, turn the screw in the opposite direction of the arrow. Adjust the screws until the back of the dishwasher seems lifted, leveled, and flush with the top-bottom surface of the sides of the countertop. Push the entire unit into the cavity. Now you'll want to do the same for the front legs, except you'll be raising and turning the front legs with an adjustable wrench as the front legs are planted. This may take several attempts to fine-tune and adjust your LG dishwasher from both the back and front legs until your unit is completely leveled. Make sure that the gap between the door and the tub are equal, and the tub is equal on both the left and right sides. Take a leveler and place it on the top front of the unit as well as on the inside, parallel to the wall cavity as shown here to finalize the leveling position. If the unit needs further readjustment, follow the previous steps as before. Securely mount the dishwasher by using the installation mounting brackets and screws that came with your unit. Screw into the pre-drilled holes and top brackets, shown here on the top-bottom surface of the countertop, or into the sides of the dishwasher depending on your setup to prevent unwanted movement and noise, causing the unit to become unbalanced. Turn on the water supply line and run a regular wash cycle to verify that your LG dishwasher is working normally. By properly leveling your brand new LG dishwasher, your unit will perform optimally and efficiently. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.